Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Suburban Premier in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these gorgeous jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with your power seat controls here at the bottom left. Of course, up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll find your climate controls here along the screen as well as down below. You get a wireless charging pad, USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, additional storage along the side. You have your middle console here that is adjustable with the controls up top. And it comes with additional storage down below. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows. And right above that, we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake, park sensors, 360 cameras, drive modes, automatic high beam controls, and our trailer brake controls. Of course, looking at the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, heated steering wheel controls, and our menu selected here in the middle. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings and our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. You get a push-to-start ignition as well as keyless entry. Up top, you have your liftgate controls, your power seat controls, power controls for the middle console, and your power controls for your sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, you get these gorgeous Captain jet black interior leather heated seats on both sides with adjustable armrests. In the middle, you'll find your heated seat controls to go alongside your 2 USB-C charge ports, climate controls, and an AC outlet. You also get 2 cup holders up top, and behind each front seat, there's cubbies with additional storage. You'll find your seat controls here at the bottom left. Just pull up. This will give you access to the back, 3 seats, cup holder, and a USB-C charge port on each side. Checking out the exterior here on the Premier, of course, we have our classic Chevrolet bow tie badge in the middle of our chrome accented grille, front-facing camera, these gorgeous LED headlights and fog lamps along the side, our Bridgestone tires down below. Up top, you'll find our power adjustable side mirrors with chrome accents up top, blinkers integrated along the side, as well as cameras, black running boards along the bottom, chrome accents along our windows and roof rails, as well as our handles here with keyless entry. We also have tint in the rear window. If you make our way all the way to the back, you'll find our quad exhaust with the Premier badging down on the right side. Opening up the liftgate here with the push of a button, it'll come up automatically, no problem. Inside, plenty of space and storage, hooks to strap in anything you might need. Additional storage down below, as well as your power seat controls. You also do get an AC outlet. To control the seats, just push these 2 down, and you'll really maximize your space here in the Premier. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Suburban Premier in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.